Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for a limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find the most profitable strategies for trading binary options. If you're new in trading and things are too complicated here, then you're the half-flight to success. Because I'm going to help you out and watch this video till end and see you for yourself. And now let's begin our trading session. Today I got only $50 on my balance. We're gonna trade on 1 minute time frame as usual and open positions for the maximum deposit amount. All the currency pairs have already been picked, and let's also choose some indicators. The first one is the Bollinger Bands and of course the RSI. Set the period to 13 on the Bollinger Bands and the deviation to 2. Let's move to RSI, set the period to 13 as well. The overbought zone to 80 and the oversold zone to 20. Basically, the setup is gonna work for us today. The main indicator is Bollinger Bands and the RSI supporting on the helps to specify trading signals. And let's get started, guys, and find a better currency pair. So let's find the most profitable pair trade. Well, we see the pullback here, and I think we should open a short position. Yeah, the touch has happened here, and the price should probably go up, but I don't think so. I believe the price will hit the support zone first, and after this strong pullback, by the way, the local high was updated. The price should go lower down to this zone. Because previously the price was moving in the upper part of the channel, and now it should continue going lower, and that's why we opened the short position here. We didn't open a counter trend trade. Instead we were playing with the trend here, and we already see a good breakdown there, and there are 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. Yep, the first position has been closed in profits, guys. Nice trade entry level. Actually, it's not exactly what I expected here, but anyway, we're in profits, and that's my thing. There's no stopping here, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing, find the better trade entry. Well, here I'd rather open a long position. Let's point out the workspace. The local low was updated. The touch did happen here. The price started going up. It bounced off this level. We observed the upward dynamics on the RSI, and a tiny correction seems to have happened here. And I believe the price will continue moving to the upside. We open it following the counter trend line. If you draw it, then here it's seen it is. I mean, we didn't open with a trend, and I think the straight entry is gonna play out. And I expect to see the breakout at the end, and the price should go to the upside. There are less 10 seconds left, and let's just watch the price movement. There we go, another position has been closed in profits. Let's update the trade amount and refresh the page. And we got it, so let's carry on trading, guys, and find the next currency pair. So let's find another trade entry. What do we got here? Let's also open the short position here. I will point out the workspace. In this case, we don't open according to the counter trend line. So here it is, we open with the current trend now, and from this local high, so we count on this and we can see that more upward mood remains on the market. According to the RSI, the price moves slightly lower the 50 mark. Basically we see some kind of reversal from the level 50. Also there is no touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and it tells us that we're going to expect some downward dynamics, and the breakout is imminent and the end, so I hope we're going to end up in profits, and let's watch. We ended up with a zero. The price is going to hold at this level for a while, so no big deal. Let's continue our trading session. We will find the better trade entry. We see that the upward dynamics prevails here, really strong one, and that's why we open a long position here. I think we can close here. The local highs up above the update. The price is heading to the upside. I'll point of the workspace. Previously the downward dynamics prevailed here, and after updating of the local low, after the touch of the lower boundary here, the price started going up, and the previous local highs approximately at this level, and I think the price will definitely break it out, and after this future breakout we'll see the continuation of the downward movement. And but now we open long. This is not a mistake. Breakout has already happened, a really good one. Look at this high volatility candle, and there around 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. And another position is in profits, guys. As you see, there was nothing complicated. Let's update the trade amount and find the next trading signal. We carry on our trading session, so here the touch seems to be happening. Oh, I should open a short here, but now it's too late. The breakout has happened. Here's also low volatility movement. Let's take our time and look at here. The touch is happening. The price went down, and we better change the RSI settings, and I think these numbers are gonna work better. And let's count on this setup. I don't see anything good so far. While the touch is happening here, and let's play ahead of the market, guys, and open a long position. I will point of the workspace, and let's take a closer at this price range. First of all, there's a touch there of the support zone, also the touch of the lower boundary of the channel with is bias signal. So we follow the rules and open a long position here. And after that, let's watch the outcome and what's gonna happen next. If the candle goes very high, that is a good signal for us. Hook breakout is going to happen, and it is a massive breakout. This is a good signal for us. The position has been opened correctly, guys, and following the signal, and basically it's going to be in profits in any case. Let's change the trade amount and continue the trading session and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing and find the best trade entry. Here's the peak. We have to open a short position here, and I think we're gonna make it in a 1 minute time frame. I will point out this worries zone and let's analyze it. This is resistance zone. Previously the price broke it down here. The touch of this resistance zone is happening here, as well as the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. And basically the downward dynamics should follow it up. And if we look at the RSI, there is some kind of reversal shows up, and that's why we open it the short position. And there are 15 seconds left before the closing, and 10, 7, 6, 5 seconds, and let's see what happens. And another position has been closed in profits. I will refresh the page. So we're good, and let's continue our trading session. Well, I wanna find another good trade entry. Here we open a short. Oh gosh, we made it, guys. It was close. I didn't want to miss the chance because this is very easy trade entry. Here we go. Let's point out this massive support zone. Basically, this level is very strong. The local low is not gonna be updated here because the previous one was a way higher, and it tells us that the best option here to open a short. We can't ignore the downward dynamics on the RSI, and after this pullback, I think the price should go lower. Yep, that's exactly what happened here. We were lucky to get such trade entry. A few more seconds, guys. And yep, another position has ended up in profits. We got $2,000 in the balance, and we're not gonna stop here, and let's continue trading. And find the next currency pair, and let's find a better trade entry. Here we open two long positions. We're a little bit unlucky. We should have opened it a little earlier, but it's fine, no big deals, guys, because look at here, the updating of the local low did happen here, and the resistance zone seems to be forming, and then we see the touch of this zone, then rebound, and I wanted to open the position right here, but we were a little bit late, guys, and I think that after this huge correction, the rebound is imminent. The correction should take place, and here also the touch of this oversold zone did happen, and this really good signal, guys. Basically, the breakout is gaining momentum. I didn't even expect the dynamics, so look it wasn't a mistake, and we're in profits. Wow. And there's no stopping here, and let's open a few more trade, guys. Let's continue analyzing and check what do we got here. Look, we open our short positions, guys. I think it's not that withdrawal that we open it here of lower. I'm expecting to see the breakdown at the end. Yep, the touch of the support zone has happened here, and we see this huge correction to the downside. A strong player entered the market, and I think he's not going to them give up that easy. And this is kind of default situation. The price goes sideways. After it should continue going down, and that's why the best option here is to open a short position, because anyway the trend is downward, and opening a short really makes sense if you see similar situation on the chart. And our position has been closed in profits, so we're not gonna slow down here. Let's open our final position in order to consolidate our gains, and let's continue analyzing. We're gonna find the better currency pair with the most profitable pair trade. And let's take a look at this one. We see the direction here, the local low was updated, so I guess let's open our short positions, guys, and point out the workspace. Let me just explain the principle. I want to point out this important price range. The price touches it here, and price move within the price corridor, and the updating of local low took place here, and then the correction to the upside follow it up. After that we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and considering that the price moves within the price range and we don't see the crossing of the overbought zone on the RSI, so it indicates that the downward dynamics prevails, and opening a short position is the best option here. And we already see a quick breakdown, guys, and 1 more second left, and in our positions is in profits as usual, guys. We got, oh my god, $11,600 on the balance, and that's what we are made to earn today. Let's move on to withdrawal right away, and let's withdraw, I guess 11,000. Press the continue button, and that's it. The transaction is being processed. Wow, it'll touch the screen where it's successfully done, and that's what we are managed to get today. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Paul, and if you wanna make money with me, a lot of money, don't forget about my Telegram. Join to my Telegram group, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and bye bye.